The iRobot Roomba Combo 2 Essential is a versatile cleaning device designed for simplicity and ease of use. Its self-emptying base saves time and effort by reducing the frequency of manual dustbin emptying. The water level controls and its mopping function allow users to customize the intensity for different floor types, while its row-by-row cleaning pattern ensures systematic and thorough coverage. These features make it a great choice for everyday cleaning tasks in smaller or less complex spaces. However, the Combo 2 Essential is not without its flaws. Its battery life is below average, requiring frequent recharges that interrupt cleaning sessions. The lack of mop washing or drying capabilities means more manual maintenance is needed to keep it functioning optimally. Additionally, it does not feature smart mapping technology, limiting its adaptability and efficiency in larger or more intricate floor plans. These limitations may make it less appealing for users seeking a more autonomous or advanced cleaning solution.